Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope from Allah Almighty that you must be fine enough, inshallah. Students have a lot of problems as far as the improvement and the development of their communication skills are concerned. Students from business management, from engineering, from medical sciences, from IT, or those students who might want to become politician tomorrow, they are having the same kind of problems as far as their communication skills are concerned. You know what? Communication skills and leadership skills are correlated, and they can distinguish or mark the journeys of one life achievement. Communication is a name of skill, and English is just only a language. Most of the people, live with that thought that if they have learned how to speak good English, they also have learned how to communicate. Communication is a name of skill, and English is just a language. English can be used as a tool to communicate, but it's not all about communication. If you learn how to speak good English, doesn't mean that you can communicate yourself in a better way. Your communication can be still pathetic. You can have that idea that if when it is required, you won't be able to speak a single word, then how you will communicate? So, my dear, what I am thinking that communication is a name of a skill which can be developed, which can be improved, and English is just a language. What the people are used to do, they go to the dictionary, improve their vocabulary with those words which are technically not suitable while you are in conversation with anyone else. They are used to speak those words which are structurally very complex. They are very critical, which are not easily understandable. So that is the main problem. I guess I am feeling that I used to see the people in a problematic situation, and one important negative you can say intention the people are having, they want to impress different people. Why you are in that mode that you are going to impress someone? Why you are in need of that thing? Why you are in need of that thing that you are going to impress someone by your English? This is not technically good. This is not technically good as far as your mental health is concerned. Yes, you are not supposed to take care about those things that you are going to impress someone. This is a negative intention. Actually, everybody should try to impress his own self. Yes, that's the truth. That's the truth. That is the point of discussion by which you should live, by which you should speak. You are not supposed to impress other people. First of all, you will have to impress yourself by your speaking skills, by your communication. Communication is an art. English is just a language. Communication can be better, can be good by using English language as a tool, but it's not all about. Communication can be improved, communication can be developed by different ways. First of all, make an eye-to-eye contact. This is a mechanism. You know what? When you are up to a good communication skills, then first of all, you build a mechanism which is called as an eye-to-eye contact. That is number one thing, which is, as far as I'm concerned, it is in my priorities, that whenever you're talking, make an eye-to-eye contact. Number two, proactiveness. That is a key term. Proactiveness is the tool by which you can impress your own self. You can see yourself in the mirror clearly. First of all, make an eye-to-eye contact. Second, proactiveness. Third, dress up well. Yes, that is also a very important tool to improve your communication skills. Later on, there are many factors like you should, whenever you are talking, when you are communicating, then you will have to speak, then will you have to communicate in a very easy way. which is understandable, which can easily be delivered, which can easily be communicated. Look, I'm telling you, mark these words, bear it in your minds that whenever you are communicating, not only English is the tool by which you can communicate. Let's suppose, I'm giving you one example. Let's suppose that we are having a situation in which two people are, and both of them do not know languages of each other. And one person is supposed to ask a pen from other one, and he don't know how to speak in his language, right? And now he will ask a pen by the means of communication. And how he will ask? Let me perform that situation, let me perform that role. Like if I am going to ask a pen without speaking a single word, then how would I ask that? Like, that is my communication. I'm not speaking a single word, even a letter, but I'm communicating by giving my gestures, by giving my symbols, right? Like that communication isn't mean that you must be very good in English. These are two different ways. We have to, justify, we have to, you can say, like differentiate between these two things. Communication is an art. It can be improved by having eye-to-eye contact, proactiveness, well-dressing, and a lot of things which can be mentioned early, which can be mentioned inshallah in next few videos. But what I want to say is that not intermix these two things. These are entirely different things.